Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Celeb Max. Johnny Depp wins defamation case against Amber Heard. The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation case was a huge controversy, but finally we have the verdict and Depp has finally won. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll bring you the latest news from Amber Heard's $50 million defamation case on Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp fans can finally breathe a sigh of relief as he wins the case. Before we start with the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also don't forget to turn on the bell for the notifications and updates on the channel. Make sure you never miss another video. Depp's recent failure to secure an appeal in the verdict against him in Britain is causing legal ripples on the side of the Atlantic. Flying the flags of internal law, Amber Heard's lawyers say Johnny Depp's stateside $50 million defamation lawsuit against the Aquaman actress should be sent packing, giving full effect to the UK judgment's necessities of finding that the statements published in the Washington Post are true. Mr. Depp committed domestic violence against Miss Heard on many occasions, causing her to fear for her life. Declares a supplemental plea in bar from Heard and Charles Breedoff, Cohen and Brown, PC and Woods Roger PC attorneys. Therefore, as a matter of law, Depp cannot prevail on any office claims, and Depp's complaint against Miss Heard should be dismissed at the April 13th filing that recently appeared at the Fairfax County docket. As the more than X-year-old matter Charles Heard has requested a May 20th hearing on her plea filing in front of a judge, Penny Oscarat, who was assigned to the case by Chief Judge Bruce White. Having proved unsuccessful in the past of getting Depp sued, Heard is taking a bit of a long shot with a new strategy. However, with nothing to lose, Heard hopes to get a little bit of traction in the US court. Depp can't relegate these factual issues, and as a result of these preclusions, he cannot claim that these statements are false and actionable under defamation law. Now all this sounds logical in a certain frame of mind, however there's a lot more going on than Heard and her team wants to admit. Now the cases in question over here are completely different. One is a defamation case and the other is a libel case. The difference is mainly that of written word versus spoken word, and Amber Heard has done both. She has blasted death both by writing the op that started the legal war and we're dealing with right now. She's also spoken against Depp in public and on podcasts. So now just because Depp lost a liable case doesn't mean that the main case against Amber Heard is so easily dismissed.
I just want to say thank you so much. I know. Sorry for the death threats. Thank you. I love you.
In the libel case that there were certain pieces of evidence that hadn't appeared yet or were found to make it relevant in court, that won't be a problem with the defamation suit because the court case hasn't started yet, has been delayed since 2022, meaning that anything is found recently can be used against Amber Heard, like new body cam footage from the cops she called on Depp after a rampage-filled night. Heard and her allies have alleged that Depp threw the phone at her face and trashed the penthouse kitchen during the notorious May 4th, 2016 dust-up. Depp's legal team alleged that the claims of Heard's are completely at odds with what the police remember. 4 LAPD officers visited the stylish loft-style apartment in downtown LA after a pal of Heard's mistakenly dialed 911 twice. Cops released a statement saying that they didn't see any injuries, vandalism, or damage to the property when they swept the apartment for evidence of a crime. Much of what Amber Heard has done in all the cases she's been tied to is try to make it clear that Depp has tried to beat her and that she has proof that he did so. But the recent body cam footage shows enough proof that Amber Heard is lying. Her stories and her words aren't holding out. Even her UK case can be noted as having some flawed logic in the verdict, and that the appeal was only denied in certain ways because of Depp's team had gotten new information too late. So now Amber Heard is trying to get the case thrown out, but why? This has mainly got to do with the new footage that the police procured, and which is now out in the public. Everyone can see the truth, that Amber Heard not only lied about being beaten by Johnny, but also lied that he plundered the house. Amber Heard is totally exposed, and that story made up by her is being proven to be false. It won't be time before she's the one who's going to be prosecuted because she's under oath and perjury is a crime, you know. With that, we wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.